Good morning guys! Umuusok-usok pa kami breakfast for today's video. Karoon kami nga ito. Daing sa Tag-Araw. Ay, Tagulan pala. Sorry guys. Habang kumakain si Palilay at si Kikay.
Kikay,
Hello! Hello guys! Good morning! It's a beautiful day. Afternoon na, no? Good afternoon, Friday, good afternoon. Wow, okay. Let's eat. Okay, we have a hot dog and
Hindi pa.
sausage.
Sa
and
probinsya.
egg. Okay.
Pag ganito,
And
as
dried
umuusok-usok,
fish.
pas na habang umuulan sa labas.
With the
Tapos,
vinegar,
ganito.
with the tomato and onion.
Wala lang tayong kitsaw.
Okay, let's eat. Bye.
Ang kitsaw. Noodles.